In this Quiltler tutorial, I will be teaching you how to use select layers. And before I do that, I'm going to show you how I created these 4 blocks that are already on my quilt. And this is important for select layers. So I'm going to start by selecting multi-block and selecting the center block and then going into the design center. From here, I'm going to select quarter triangle corner and I'm going to change the color to blue and select done and done. And I'm going to select multi-block again and select the same block and then go back to the design center. And from here I'm going to use quarter triangle corner again, but I just need to change the angle. So now it's at 90 degrees and I'll select done and select done again. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'll select multi-block, select the middle block and go back to the design center. Choose that same quarter triangle corner and just change the degree. And I will select done and select done again. And last time for that, multi-block, select the center block and then back to the design center. Select that same quarter triangle corner and change the degree. I will select done and select done again. And now that I have all of my corner triangles, I'm going to select multi-block, select the center block, and select the design center. This time I need the pink block, so I'm going to do that by selecting square, going to my color wheel, changing the color to the same pink color, and select done, and then select done again. And as you can see, the order of the blocks is not quite right. So I'm going to select layers and then select the block that I need to change. And from here, I'm going to long hold the 3 lines to slide my block down to where I'd like it to go. And you can use the preview slider to make sure your block looks right. And that's just how I want it to look. So I will select done. Another way to do this is select copy and then long hold the block that you would like to change. And you can rearrange it the same way. So I will select done. And that is how you use select layers.